थे 2 हफ्ते के बाद मेरी बेटी का एग्जाम खत्म हो गया और आज हम आए हैं पहली बार ग्रैंड सेंटर मॉल और देखते हैं कि आगे जाकर एक्सप्लोर करते हैं कि कैसा है मॉल क्या है। लेट्स गो इनसाइड and see how is the mall. Bye friends.
Bye. We will show you all. On am nani taandi. You get to in holding the phone.
ये मॉल का ग्राउंड फ्लोर है।
Question coming.
आज बंद है।
लंच करने जा रहे हैं थर्ड फ्लोर में।
तो फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे आए हैं। नाउ लेट्स गो टू द थर्ड फ्लोर एंड सी द फूड फ्लोर। दिस इज द वन पार्ट ऑफ द मॉल। द मॉल इज सो बिग। देखते देखते तो थक जाएंगे।
Only one full day.
हाँ।
Now
we are
going to third floor. See you go. Now you. You hold.
No, you.
No, go. I am walking.
Dress and the purse both are matching.
See her.
ये तो मेरा उल्टा।
Her dress, her look. Now we came out. Oh, also this is a food court and something else. Same. Yeah, how is it? Room zone. Let's see what is that. Now we are coming to food court. After food, we'll talk to you. Third floor. We are reaching to the food court. It's very long. We are going on walking. Endless.
This is a Swatch.
Swatch. Many more are there. See, house of candies here. What is this? It is jail. I think not open. I don't know. We are going northern Telkapur. No. See, oh, the one food court. Roof garden. Here's the food court here. Now, Sunny's walk. Let's see what we take.
It's the mobile gallery.
Yes. Happy hours. After we take, we will show what we are eating. Okay. Hello. So now we have started the lunch. So lunch will be shown by another person.
We ordered from McDonald's. One is Mac Veggie Burger. This is the coffee, my favorite.
Cappuccino it is called.
Coffee cappuccino, my favorite. And this is the potato wedges. And they are given a sauce.
If we break, it looks like this.
And this is Mac Veggie
Burger. Now we have also ordered momos, which will come shortly. So eat.
We'll enjoy and we'll see how
I'm
it
eating.
tastes.
It's awesome. You all can try. We have come to. Okay, so we are enjoying. After eating, we'll meet you. 5 minutes. Momos came.
Now the second item which we ordered was momos. That is from the Full Chow. That's the name of the restaurant. That is the Full Chow.
Here.
Full Chow. They have given us 6 momos with Szechuan chutney and 1 fork and 1 spoon and two paper napkins. So now friends,
We are
we are going to have our lunch.
After that, let's see what dessert we'll eat.
These 2 items, let's see what else we will eat.
Because we'll enjoy everything. We'll try everything. So now we are eating the momos.
ऑर्डर किया है कैलाश पर्वत से। अभी मैं टेस्ट करती हूँ और देखती हूँ कैसा है। लेट्स एंजॉय। ये है
हार्ट शेप में, वो कटलेट का शेप का है। इधर ऑनियन दिया है, फिर इसका
sweet chutney,
See,
banana chutney,
neat.
and gravy.
ग्रेवी है, ये है ग्रेवी, आपको दिखाती हूँ एक सेकेंड। ठीक है, ये है
gravy है। ये स्वीट चटनी जैसा है और ये थोड़ा तीखा चटनी जैसा
ये
है।
ऑनियन है इसके साथ, ये स्पून दिए, ये कॉमन, ये वाटर बॉटल लिया हमने, ये है कैलाश शरबत।
I will meet you later.
हम लोग सी फूड मॉल के फूड कोर्ट में, तो वो थर्ड फ्लोर में,
सेकंड फ्लोर में। सेकंड फ्लोर में।
और सॉरी सेकंड फ्लोर।
देखते हैं तो
हम बहुत कुछ देखने को, सबवे सर्फ से बहुत ही कुछ सारा है। डोमिनोज है, पिज़्ज़ा हट है, टेक्यू, द सूप बाउल है, और भी बहुत कुछ है। आपसे बाद में मिलते हैं, बाय, मीट यू लेटर। आधे घंटे के बाद अभी हम कुछ डेजर्ट लेने जा रहे हैं, तो देखते हैं। टीशा tag your ice cream lover friend name and also like the video, subscribe, share with your friends, share with ice cream lovers. Yummy. My outfit. Tag your ice cream lovers in the comment section and comment your ice cream flavor, favorite ice cream flavor. And the mango flavor. Yummy. So today we ate burgers and we ate rubber patties. We are now eating ice cream. So now let's see what we'll do in the mall. First time we have come to, never we have come here. So let's look after the mall. I think my ice cream is melting. I'll talk to you all later after a few minutes. ये देखिए, ये है सेकंड फ्लोर।
ये मेरा मैंगो फ्लेवर।
ये मैं ना आइसक्रीम मेल्ट हो रहा है, ये पूरा सेकंड फ्लोर इतना बड़ा है, इससे बाहर भी बहुत बड़ा है सेकंड फ्लोर। बाद में दिखाते हैं, हमें फिर बैठते हैं। अभी मैं मैंगो आइसक्रीम खा रही हूँ, आइसक्रीम खा रही हूँ,
मैंगो फ्लेवर आइसक्रीम।
मुझे फ्लेवर बहुत पसंद है। आप लोग कमेंट करिए आपको कौन सा फ्लेवर में आइसक्रीम में पसंद होता है। मुझे तो मैंगो और चॉकलेट फ्लेवर है, आपको कौन सा कमेंट करिए। तो चलते हैं,
ये लिए पड़ेगा।
हम अभी जा रहे हैं किधर, तो देखते क्या करने का। यहाँ पर बहुत सारा है देखने को, देखिए। हेलो, नाउ वी आर कम टू को आफ्टर ईटिंग फूड वी आर सीइंग द होल फ्लोर, see the whole floor.
Now we are going.
I'd like to speak something.
Now we are going to the first floor and we will explore the first floor.
See, wait, I will show you. Wait, zoom in. See, there are actually this many shops here. We had
Just now we purchased
also.
mango shop.
That is for stationery shops. In stationery shops, whatever we have taken, she is my mother who is going down today outfit. And I have purchased some art stationeries and some school required stationeries. She's going here. Oh, we need beauty. Oh, now this is the first floor. Light blue, woodlands. Same mango. Yeah, going. Red blue, New York. All chappals we get. All can come and buy. Seeing the view from here. View from up. This is the frenzy. I'll show you. Shop in first floor. Trendies. No, I think we are going to that shop. Pantaloons. We'll see what we'll buy there. Let's think. It's a very good shop. We'll see pantaloons. Okay.
Entry बंद हैंडल वाले
Okay. Oh, it's upgoing. Oh, you have to find the down. If you all can see, comment me where is the down part. Just the down. I can't find.
I think ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಒನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರಾ ಅಂತ ಅಪ್ಪಕ್ಕೆ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಒನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರಾ ಅಂತ if I'm not wrong.
Yes, see, it's a gone down going part. We found it. Finally.
Mobile band. I'm not talking.
Go. Okay.
Like this.
Yeah. Came down. This is the ground.
Very in-orbit mall.
This is the in-orbit mall also. Oh, it's a ground floor.
बंद मारो in-orbit mall.
This is Suga. Silicon. Enjoy. You can sit here. Look salon. It's a salon. Oh yeah. Above floor look like this.
बंद मारो
What? That's an
बस
Pantaloon and from Mango. Two shops we went where we bought pantaloons. I think we bought some earrings, something. From what we bought, we can't tell you now. Next, after this video, stay tuned. By tomorrow, you will get that another video where we will be showing what we are. So get ready for that. Before that, like this video, subscribe and share with your friends. Keep watching and enjoy. Now we are going down to the ground floor because first we went to third floor to eat lunch. Then we are going to mall. Oh, see, going. No, let's find. We have taken. We will show in the next video of reviewing video. Oh, so now I'm going down. The first floor. Now we are almost to the end part.
Color band. Now we are going at the end part. I am really tired. It's a long way from this mall to our house. Takes nearly half an hour to 1 hour. Now the time is coming nearly 6 o'clock. By the time we reach home, it will be.
We had came here by 3:30. See, imagine how big shop is.
This mall is very big, not shop.
Sorry, my mistake. Comment me if someone has come here or not before, and give me reviews if you know how this shop. Okay,
Bye.
like, comment, subscribe,
बंद मरी.
and bye
हाँ,
bye.
शायद बंद मरी.
Share with your friends. Stay tuned for the second video. You can come here and enjoy. It will take a day to complete the mall. You will go mad. You would like to go buy again and again. That type of the mall is very big mall. See, here is the down part, I think. Oh, come on. Shop. See my mother. She is going. See what is there. My mother, she is walking.
Hi, friends.
We have taken another shop. From Pantaloons also. Guys, हमने फाइनली शॉपिंग कर चुकी है. हम अभी मॉल के बाहर हैं. हम घर जा रहे हैं. बहुत मज़ा आया हमें इस मॉल में. आप लोग ज़रूर आना. इतना बड़ा मॉल है कि एंडिंग नहीं होता. इतना बड़ा मॉल है. सी वुड सेंटर सी वुड क्या निकला. ठीक है, अगर गुरुद्वारे. बाय बाय. लाइक, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब एंड कमेंट. बाय.